Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today we have another rocket launch. And it is a very, very, very bright day. It's pretty windy too. In fact, I think storms are developing. But if you'll look at the very bottom of this video, in the center, you can see the rocket. I'll be honest with you, because it was so bright, I was having a very hard time locating it on my phone. But luckily, I was able to get it, at least for a little bit. So this rocket launched from Kennedy Space Center on pad 39A, which my dad used to work on 39A during the Apollo era. But anyway, it launched at about 5:04 p.m. on Tuesday, July 1st, 2025. It was a Falcon 9 rocket, and it launched carrying a third generation sounder satellite for the European Oganisation for the Exploration of Meteorological Satellites. And the satellites are going to be deployed about 35 minutes after launch. But before that, at about 8.5 minutes after liftoff, out in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean on a drone ship, first stage booster will land. Now that's very cool. Okay, so I'll hush up so we can listen for the rumble of the rocket, which, by the way, sounds a lot better on a desktop.
Stage 1 landing burn.
And good call out there for the landing burn start on our Falcon 9 first stage.
Nominal orbit insertion. Stage 1 landing leg deploy. Stage 1 landing confirmed.
Thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.